Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own timesheet for shift work. So let's get started. Alright, so let's enter in the start date, 1st of the 11th, 18, 1st of the 11th, 18, and it will be day shift. Now we're entering the start time, which will be 6 in the morning, and the end time will be at 2:30 in the afternoon. The break will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's 1 hour lunch break, 15-minute tea break, and now we need to enter in the formula for the day hours, which will be an if function, which has a logical test, value if true, and a value if false. So we're going to enter in equals if, open brackets, E5 equals, open inverted commas, day, because in this example we're working day shift, close inverted commas, comma, open brackets, D5 minus B5. Essentially what we're doing here is we're taking the end time and subtracting the start time. Close brackets, minus F5. What we're doing here is we're subtracting the lunch break and tea breaks. Close brackets, times 24, 0, close brackets, enter. Right, so before I show you the formula for this cell, let me show you what formula I have in this block. Then I have this total in this block, which is just equal to I3, which is this block here, and then the formula for the total hours, which starts at G5 and ends at H31, somewhere down here. Then the formula for the total days is equal to count A5 down to A31. Right, so now let's fill in the formula for the night hours. Alright, so the formula for the night hours will be an if formula again, which is equals if, open brackets, E5 equals open inverted commas, night, close inverted commas, comma, open brackets, 1 plus, this is just to correct the formula because the end time for the night shift will be 22:30, and you'll be subtracting, sorry, the end time will be 6 in the morning, and you'll be subtracting 2200 hours, and you cannot take a small number and subtract a large number. If you do that, you'll have to add in the 1 plus to correct the formula. So it'll be D5 minus B5 minus F5. Close brackets, times 24, 0, close brackets, enter, and there you have it. Okay, so before I show you the formula for this block, I need to show you the rates of pay which are created on another sheet. In this sheet I've entered in all the rates of pay for the weekdays, Monday to Friday, for Saturday and for Sunday. This is for day shift and that's for night shift. So let's go back, and before I show you that again, we need to enter in some more details for the week and for Saturday and for Sunday. Okay, so now we'll enter in the start and end times. Okay, so the first three I'm just going to make those day shifts. And the last 2 days we'll make night shift, just for an example. So the start times for night shift will be 2200 hours to 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning. Okay, then we'll switch back to day shift for Saturday and Sunday. And the start times will make, let's say, 2 o'clock till 10 o'clock. Or 10:30 rather. Right, so now we need to enter in the breaks. Right, so now I'm just going to copy the break times and paste them in down here. Just like that. Right, so now the formula for this cell block will be an if function with the VLOOKUP function. So that'll be equals if, open brackets, E5 equals, open inverted commas, night, close inverted commas, comma, H5 times VLOOKUP, open brackets, weekday, open brackets, A5, 2, close brackets, comma, night, comma, 2, comma, false, close brackets, comma, G5 times VLOOKUP, open brackets, weekday, open brackets, A5, comma 2, close brackets, comma, day, comma 2, comma false, close brackets, enter, and there you have it. So that's it for today's video lesson on how to create a timesheet for shift work. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.